Good morning, students. I have some very exciting news. Today we will compete in the Magicae Draco Cup.
What's that, sir?
I'm glad you asked, Zaki. It's a tournament that happens every 100 years to see which school is better for magic.
Is this the tournament between us and the bad school?
Who's the bad school?
Blackthorn High, that is where all the bad kids go to train to be bad wizards.
They're not bad wizards, Leo. They just learn a different kind of magic from us. But this does include a troubling magic from the dark arts.
Well, I'm glad I don't go there. I'm glad I go to Foxglove Academy, the best school for magic.
After Hogwarts, of course.
Of course.
What will happen in the tournament?
I'm glad you asked, Zaki. First, we will do a flying competition where we will see two students battle it out in the skies. Then, we will do magic duels between the two schools.
I've been practicing dueling all year.
Whoa, be careful.
This will determine who has the most powerful students.
That will be me. I have the power handed down by my father, Harry Potter.
Be careful, Leo. They have powerful students too.
I heard they have the son of Snape there.
And the headmaster is the son of he who must not be named.
As long as we do our homework and study hard, we will beat them and take the cup home.
Yeah!
Yay!
Welcome, my dark students. I have the most wonderful news. We will be competing in the Magicae Draco Cup. This cup has been won by those goody two-shoe bunch over at the Foxglove Academy.
Boo!
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 It has been too long. It is time to shine and take it back.
Yeah!
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 Yes!
Yay!
How are we going to do that, Lord?
We're going to cheat.
Are we going to use dark magic?
Are we going to destroy them?
Are we going to cheat, use dark magic and destroy them?
Yes, my evil students. We will do all of that.
As I'm your better flyer, shall I do the flying?
Yes, but use a new broom. Not one of those old witches' brooms.
What about the rest of us? What will we do?
We can do with the other students. I've been training all year.
I will do battle with my twin brother, who is the teacher's pet.
Yes, there will be a magic dueling competition, so make sure you bring your best ones. And remember, students, you must not cheat.
Ha 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 ha!
And you must not use dark magic.
Ha 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 ha!
Oh, I thought we were going to cheat.
He's joking. We are going to do all those things.
Oh.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha!
Welcome to our guests, the students at Blackthorn High.
Yay!
Thank you for hosting the tournament, Montego Black. I hope your students have been studying hard, as this year Blackthorn High will be taking the cup home.
Yes!
We'll see about that, Lord Regus. We have some of the best students here.
We're going to win.
No, we're going to win.
Students, save it for the tournament.
Behave, students.
But you told us to cheat. Oh.
Maybe we should get ready for the tournament.
I agree.
Those students from Blackthorn High look really tough. I think we are going to have a real hard time beating them in the tournament.
I think we'll be fine. We have been training all year. Our magic is the best in the country.
Maybe even the world.
Well, we'll find out later at the tournament.
Shh, I can hear the Blackthorn students are coming.
Quick, hide. We should use our invisibility cloak.
We are going to destroy those students from Foxglove.
I already know how I'm going to choose.
How?
I'm going to fight my good twin. I know all his weaknesses.
I am going to use bad band magic. Those goody two-shoes are too frightened to use the dark arts.
Wah ha 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 ha.
Mwah, ah, 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 ah.
Let's go break some of their wands.
Mwah, ah, 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 ah.
Wah ha 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 ha.
Oh no, we must go tell someone that the students from Blackthorn High are going to cheat.
We can't let them win through cheating.
You're late. You nearly missed the first round of the tournament.
We have some big news. The students from Blackthorn are going to cheat.
Oh no, what will we do? It is already too late as the first round is starting.
The first round will be a flying contest between Amethyst and Demon. I hope nothing bad happens, as they will be flying fast and high.
Before. Don't look down.
No. The first duel is between Bad Luke and, oh my gosh, his twin brother, Good Luke.
Hello, brother. Brother, I thought you were a doctor. I didn't know you went to bad school. Well, my name is Bad Luke, so I need to tell you going back. Now, let's fight. This. I'm a bird.
A point to us. Next, we will have Lily and Leo versus Alcator and Crozor.
We heard your little plan.
We heard you're going to cheat.
Yeah, what are you going to do about it? Run off and tell your daddy?
I heard Harry Potter isn't even a good wizard. I mean, he didn't even come to watch you compete.
That's it.
Draco! Take that!
That.
Confringo! Take this! Expelliarmus!
Huzzah, huzzah.
Expelliarmus.
You did it.
Yes, we won using good magic.
Oh no, my wonder's broken.
Oh no, I can't fight by myself.
I bet you won't.
Good work. It will be easy to just fight one of them.
Do something, Zachy. I can't hold them off any longer. Dad, take this! Ah!
Yes!
It was a draw.
This has never happened in the 4,000 years this tournament has been taking place.
We will have to settle this ourselves.
We shall settle this with Lucian.
Are we really going to do this?
No!
Yes! Yes! I won! I am the best!
You won the battle, but you did not win the war.
Is that it?
All that training and it's just come down to a game of rock, paper, scissors.
I feel cheated.
Only because we won and we didn't even cheat.
I mean, we didn't have to come all this way for this.
Yeah, we could have done this over Zoom.